Right guys, I'm just going to do you a quick video to show you how I make bands. There's loads of videos out there. My way isn't really that much different. So yeah, this is how I do them. All you're going to need, you need your rubber. I use wax cotton thread for the constrictor knot. You'll need some pouches, scissors, pen, a rotary cutter, the ruler, and I'm going to be using a band cutting template as well. This one's a 25 to 20. I have got other ones. So I've got 20 to 15. That one's a 20 to 25 as well. Not going to need them. You don't have to use the band cutting template. You can just use a rotary cutter and a ruler, or even better, you can use these. They're from the Works. It's got a rotary cutter built into the ruler, which is pretty handy. Anyway, not going to need all this rubber. Just need the 0.8. I'm making some band sets up to launch some 10mm leads. So you want to cut your bands first. I'm going to cut these at 230. So that'll leave me with 25mm each side to tie onto, and to tie onto the forks. And that'll leave me with 180mm active band length. If you don't know your active length, there's loads of videos on YouTube how to find it, but it's basically measure your draw length and divide it by 5. I think about 5. You'll need to fine tune it after that anyway, but because all latexes act different, so some are stretchier than others. So all I do now, mark the 25mm lines. Light's not the best in here. So now we've got 25, 25, and there's your 180. So this band jig I'm using is actually from Catapult, Wayne Martin. Got some good gear on there, to be fair. You can, I think Celtic Catties sell these as well. You can get them on AliExpress as well. You can just get custom dimension ones made. So you got your 180 marks on the jig. You're gonna line it up with your lines. Rotary cutter out. Simple as that. Get rid of these bits on the end, or you can use them to tie onto your forks. And then you'll be left with three pairs. Put them on the side for now. Get your pouch. Roll the end of the band up. Get it through that hole. Now the lines that we marked before, just going to get it flush with the outside of the pouch. Do the same with the other side. So roll it up, stick it through there. These are going to be OTT bands, by the way. If they were through the fork, TTF, you'd just turn this to the side that way, and you basically roll it like a cigarette and then fold it over. But these ones are going to be over the top, so get the line perfect. And we get the jig. If you want to make one of these jigs, dead easy. I've actually got a video how to make it up on the channel. So fold the band over, hold it, clamp it in. Same with this side. Pull it over, clamp it in. Sorted. Now we get our waxed cotton. I think this is 0.8 of a mil. So we need to cut two pieces. Scissors aren't the best. Right, now I like to turn the jig just facing that way. I just like to lick a bit of the cordage so it slides better when we tie the knot. So I'll do this kind of slow so you can see. So that one goes over, that one goes over, goes under, over that one, and then through there. Get some tension on it, pull it together, and then push it towards a pouch, and then just pull it. And do the same to this side. So lick the cordage. So over, over, under, over that cordage, and then through there. Pull that tight. Snip the excess off. Now we just want to snip these bits off. And there we have it. One over the top band set. Cheers.